Hi everyone, here are the top 10 ways to stay healthy and fit for this World Health Day, which is celebrated on 7th of April. I think everybody heard about these famous quotes. Your health is your real wealth by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise by Sir Benjamin Franklin. Are you trying to stay healthy during the extended coronavirus pandemic? On the World Health Day, here are few tips on how to stay fit during these unprecedented times. Drink lots of fresh water. Start your day by drinking lots of fresh water, at least 500 ml. Water fires up metabolism, hydrates the body, helps to flush out toxins, gives brain fuel, and may even make you eat less. It's commonly recommended that you drink 8 ounce, that is 237 ml glasses of water per day, the 8 into 8 rule. Do physical exercise. You can even practice yoga, play some sport, go for brisk walking. This will keep you fit and active all day long. Solid breakfast. First and foremost, eating breakfast is the most important thing. Have a solid breakfast with plenty of protein and fat. Eat meals and snacks at regular times every day. Sleep for 7 to 9 hours. Maintaining a proper sleep cycle should be a top priority during this period. Sleep 7 to 9 hours in a pitch dark bedroom. Sleep equally plays an important role to help our bodies repair its cells, clear toxins, consolidate our memories, and process information. Avoid consuming alcohol and tobacco. They are not only injurious to health but also disturbs our sugar level and sleep cycle. Replace carbonated drinks and packed juices with fresh juice. Replace carbonated drinks and packed juices with fresh juice, vegetables and fruits. Sprouts can also be taken as a good alternative. Consume green tea. It speeds up your metabolism and burns fat. Excessive drinking of green tea can cause stomach problems, diarrhea, and can even cause iron deficiency. You may also experience insomnia. Spend more time in the sun. Spend at least 30 minutes every day. Your body needs more vitamin D and it gets it from the UV rays of the morning sun, that is 7 am to 9 am. Don't wear sunblock. Just spend enough time in the sun to get a small amount of color without burning. Consume nuts. Despite being high in fat, they are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They are loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, fiber, and various other nutrients. Avoid junk food. Reduce the consumption of all the processed junk food in your diet. They are also low in fiber, protein, and micronutrients, but high in unhealthy ingredients like added sugar and refined grains. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.